Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Happy Gluten-Free Friday. Are you so excited to be here?
I'm so excited.
So today, we're not making anything. We're not cooking anything. We're playing with Epilynx. Well, you can't really see. Epilynx.
Epilynx.
Epilynx is a cosmetics company. They do skincare, makeup. They're completely gluten-free because, you know, a lot of cosmetics actually could have hidden gluten in them. Did you know that?
I did not, actually.
So this is completely gluten-free. They have a wide variety of products, a lot of different colors, a lot of different items. So today we're going to be doing, I'm going to be doing a little primer on my hand, some makeup on my hand, and then, oh, sorry, I touched the mic. And then we're going to be taking it off with the makeup remover. And what are you going to be doing?
We're going to be doing some SPF action.
We're going to be testing it.
A tinted one and a non-tinted one.
Yeah, we're just going to be swatching them on our hands.
Yeah.
We already have our little makeups on for the day. So let's get started. I'm going to
roll up the sleeves.
Roll up my sleeves.
Yeah.
And then we're going to start with the 24K Gold Face Serum and Primer.
Ooh, gold.
I'm bougie.
Yeah.
I'm bougie. This is what it looks like.
Oh, that's
She's
so
got the
pretty.
gold flecks in there.
That is so cute.
Okay. I'm going to use the little dropper to put it on my hand. This is really good for not only hydrating your face, also giving you that, I can see the gold flecks on my hand. That's awesome and very bougie. But it keeps your makeup on. So we're putting it to the test with the makeup remover. We're going to see if it comes off. No, I'm just kidding. It'll come off.
Yeah.
Blending that.
I feel like that'd be so good like under makeup, right? Because it's like gonna give you a glow, right?
It's gonna hydrate you. It's gonna make it stick, and you're gonna have gold on your face. It's still shiny. I don't know. You probably can't really see that from there, but I'm gonna let it dry. Letting it dry. Okay, now I'm gonna use the mascara, and y'all aren't ready for this one. Watch this. Ready? Hold on, guys. It's blingy.
I'm shocked. I did not know it was gonna look like that.
It's blingy.
That's crazy.
It's
that looks
blingy.
so cute.
That's the wand. Pretty standard wand. That's like another brand I've used. I'm just gonna put it on my hand. I know that's not how you're supposed to use mascara, guys. It's going on my little hand hairs though, so maybe it's working. Okay.
Is that like an all-day wear?
This is 3D Black Liquid Mascara. So we're gonna see if it's all day wear, if it comes off. I don't think it's waterproof, which is fine. I'm honestly not a waterproof mascara girl, are you?
I have to.
You really?
I have to, yeah.
Do you have runny eyes?
Yeah, my eyes are like oily, so it like transfers. Yeah.
See, I hate like the feeling of taking a mascara off at the end of the day.
Yeah,
So when you use waterproof mascara,
but you know,
it's much harder.
cleansing balm that we're gonna try, we'll take it right off. That's what I
Really?
use.
Okay.
That's what I use.
We're putting it to the test. Guys, we have another bling product.
Why their packaging is like 10 out of 10.
I can't get this off. Look at this. Another bling product. Let's go. So this is
Yeah, what is that?
the Miracle High Precision Liquid Eyeliner. I'm a liquid eyeliner girl. Ooh, look at that. It's a felt tip.
Oh, I love felt
Good for
tip.
graphic eyeliner if that's your vibe.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Beautiful.
You can get some thin lines.
So sharp.
Get some thin lines.
You can do like thin, yeah, and thick.
Look at that. Gorge. And it's blingy, so like that's just extra.
Yeah.
I'm using the gold face primer and I'm using the blingy. Okay, my last product is the metallic liquid eyeshadow. I love a good shimmer.
I can't wait to see what this one looks like actually.
In shade number 3. That's what it says.
Ooh.
Ooh, cute.
Ooh, so glittery.
Cute.
Yeah.
It reminds me of another brand that I'm not going to mention the name of, but we'll see if it's better. It's so glittery. Oh my god.
That is so pigmented.
That's eating. That's eating, guys. I fear.
Yeah.
Cute. It's giving Christmas.
That's gonna look gorgeous on the eyes.
No, yeah. Cute. Okay, I'll let mine dry and settle while you put yours on.
Okay. So what should we do first? The tinted one or the non-tinted one?
I would do the tinted one.
Okay.
We'll do the tinted and then we'll do the regular.
Okay. All right. So this is gluten-free, hypoallergenic, and vegan. So
Yeah, all of their
It's
makeup
good.
is
It's good.
hypoallergenic. So if you have sensitive skin, their products are going to be great for you.
ooh.
Any of the products. Also, all of them are gluten-free, obviously.
10 out of 10 packaging again.
Cute.
Wow.
That's cute.
Right? Okay, so.
One thing about Epilynx is they have beautiful
Right?
packaging.
Ooh, okay.
Ooh,
So like,
okay.
got a little,
A light tint.
yeah.
It's a light tint.
See, like that.
What does it smell like? I'm a big smell person. It kind of smells good.
Yeah, it doesn't really smell like too sunscreeny. It's not like greasy like some sunscreen is. Do you wear sunscreen? Please tell me you do.
Yeah, every day.
Okay, every day. Me too.
Well, I have rosacea.
Yeah.
Like on my
Yeah.
cheeks, the middle of my forehead, on my chin.
Yeah.
So if I don't wear sunscreen, it's gonna break like the capillaries in my face faster, and it's not good for my skin. So I have to wear sunscreen every day.
Yeah.
Use SPF like 30.
Guys, PSA, you should be wearing some sunscreen.
You wear it
should.
every day too?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Have to.
Do you?
Oh,
so you need so we need to get you some Epilynx. We need to get you some of this. Okay, now for the regular one.
Okay, yeah. If tinted is not your vibe, then we could just do
Is it a mineral or is it what kind
regular.
is it? Just
Yeah,
regular?
natural and mineral.
Ooh.
Okay. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna be trying that too.
Oh, it's got a little bit of like a tint.
It's like a peach kind of thing. Maybe good for like correcting and stuff, like, you know, your skin. It's more like thicker. It's not as like a gel kind of as the tint.
But it's not leaving a super white
yeah,
cast.
that's good. Yeah, nah.
There's a lot
Feels
of-
really smooth too.
Yeah,
yeah.
a lot of mineral sunscreens leave a thick white cast.
The texture, yeah, really good. Yeah,
It's a moisturizing one. It's a
Yeah.
sunscreen moisturizer,
True.
which is good.
and it's 50.
SPF
50, so that's a really good
What's
amount.
this one?
Yeah, it's really good.
30. This one's 30.
Yeah,
So this is good.
still
probably
really good. Yeah.
If you're like if you're not just like laying out, if you're just like going out,
Yeah,
you want a little sunscreen on your face.
Yeah. And like under
Little
makeup
tinted,
too, like, and then to add like more coverage, put some more on. Like,
Okay, so I think mine has settled.
yeah.
She's dry. So now we're gonna be taking the jojoba oil makeup remover cleansing balm, and scoop a pearl-sized amount, massage gently onto dry or slightly wet skin in circular motion. Rinse and pat dry. Okay. Sam, hey Sam. Sammy wants to put some makeup on. So it's cute as a little pinky.
Ooh.
Let's see what it looks like. Cute. Little peach. So I'm just gonna, we got a bowl of water. I'm just gonna dab my little hand. Okay. Scoop a pea-sized amount. Okay.
Yeah.
I think that's
Yeah.
good. I'm not wearing a lot. There's not a lot of makeup on here.
Yeah.
Guys, it's breaking it up. See that? See that? Honestly, the eyeliner, staying pretty still.
Yeah.
Staying pretty still. But it's coming off.
Yeah. When I use
feels
cleansing balm, I look
good.
crazy. Like,
yeah.
I'm just like, I have black all over my face.
Okay, I'm afraid it's gonna get my little shirt. So I'm gonna
yeah.
be careful.
Here, do you want me to like roll it?
Yeah.
Let's.
Just a little. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Guys, she's doing her job. The eyeliner, though, I
it's
must
still-
say, is
It's staying good.
pretty lethal. Good for those long nights out or Halloween makeup.
Oh, yeah.
This month for their post on Instagram, I did the face primer and the cleansing balm because it's good to take off all of your Halloween makeup. You know, your face paints, your whatever you're doing. If you want to be a vampire, the fake blood or something. I don't know. I'm not judging. But
Do you know what you're gonna be for Halloween yet?
no.
No. I've been seeing like Cleopatra, like, and like the eyeliner for like some Cleopatra like
that's
eyeliner.
cute.
That would look so good.
Okay. Just wiping it off. Guys, she's done a pretty good job.
Brand new hand, yeah.
Brand new. She's still got glitter on it, probably from the liquid eyeshadow, but that's because it's glittery.
But when you're like cleansing with balm, you double cleanse. You put like
Yeah.
another cleanser on after, so that'll get do that.
But also glitter just lingers.
Yeah. But
Literally.
nothing wrong with a little glitter. Nothing wrong.
Nothing wrong with a little glitter. All right, guys. Do you want to take your sunscreen off, or you want to keep it on your little hand?
I'm gonna keep it on.
Okay.
'Cause we don't want old wrinkly.
Does it feel good? Is it feeling smooth?
Yeah, no, it's so good.
Okay.
And yeah, it feels so soft. Yeah, actually, feel very moisturized right now.
All right. Sorry, put it away. So, that was that. Lovely makeup products, beautiful makeup products. Good cleansing balm, good primer. My hand is feeling very soft after that.
Really?
The jojoba oil. Keeping my hands
Oh
off.
yes, I love jojoba oil.
Keep my hands off. As you can see, we've got the little pumpkin here, which means the September-October issue is out. Get it at the store, at a store near you. Also, check out our blog. glutenfreemore.com. We've got some of the recipes that we've been shooting on there right now. Also our YouTube channel. What's the YouTube channel?
Gluten-Free More Mag.
Gluten-Free More Mag. We've been posting a lot on there. We're posting these on there. So if you're watching us from there, hey. Comment a pumpkin emoji if you're watching us from YouTube. And yeah, we're very excited about this. We love fall. We're loving it. Period. Rosh Hashanah just happened. Look, we have a Rosh Hashanah spread. But yeah, we have a lot of yummy, delicious recipes in this. Halloween, Rosh Hashanah, so many different things. So yeah, check it out. It's near you, or you can get it online, buy a subscription online. Yeah, that's it. We'll see you guys next week for another gorgeous, amazing, beautiful Gluten-Free Friday. Maybe something spooky. Ooh, maybe something spooky Halloween themed. Possibly. All right. Bye, guys.
Bye.